This figure shows the component needed in a system for RFID IoT application and services. If you observe here, we are having an APIs, that is IoT applications and services, which are connected to the data centers or cloud or web servers through the internet. Through the internet, we are connecting some of RFID tags through the hotspots. In the middleware, these are the software. By using this software, we are computing certain devices of our readers and transmitted via internet through the database centers or web servers, and these can be accessible by IoT applications and services. Let us see data processing subsystem. A reader associates a data processing subsystem which consists of a computing device and a middleware and provides connectivity to the internet directly or through a gateway, which includes a data adaptation supplier. So if you are using the readers, RFID readers, these are associated with the data processing subsystems. These subsystems which is consisting of computing devices, and also it consists of some of a middleware softwares. These are provided connectivity to the internet. By using these computing devices and middlewares of the readers of a subsystems, we are going to be connecting directly to the internet through a gateway which includes data adaptation suppliers. So if you are connecting in the internet, it consists of a data adaptation suppliers. The subsystem is a backend system. Whatever the subsystems we are using, it is acting as a backend systems. A reader circuit may send data directly or through a computer, mobile or tablet to the internet. Whatever the reader circuit we are using, that sends the data directly through a computer, mobile or tablet through the internet. So it sends the data whenever it is connected to the internet through the various devices. The computation for transmission of the contents information of tagged devices are usually little. Whatever the computation of for transmission are usually little. Whatever we are transmitting, whatever the computation we have to do, it is very little. Example of a reader is a Spark FUFI SEN 08419 for prototype developments. So here we are using as a reader. So the best example of a readers is a Spark FUFI SEN 08419. These are the device of our readers, means it is a circuits. By using these circuits, we are developing for the prototype developments. Middleware. Let us see what is a middleware. Middleware are the software component used at the readers. So it is a software component. It is also used for the circuits in the reader circuit. Read manage data store for the transaction data store. It also reads the data whichever we want to manage data store for transaction of data stores and application program of applications. So by using this software components, we are reading and managing the data stores and stores the data through the application program interfaces of an applications. Applications and services and other associated application software use the data store at cloud or web servers. By using these applications and services and other associated application softwares, we are going to be using to store the data. Where we are going to storing our data? Either in our web servers or cloud servers.